Many people still confuse ICT and FCT. Let's explain it in 1 minute using a simple circuit diagram. This circuit has only for components. One power chip converts 5 volts to 3.3 volts. One 1OK resistor. One 10 micro capacitor. And one output connector. In circuit test only checks, are components correct? Are solder joints reliable? Use probes to touch both ends of R1. Check whether resistance is 1 OK. Touch both ends of C1. Check whether capacitance is 10 micro. Probe U1 pins. Check for short circuit or cold solder joints. At this stage, the board is almost not powered on. Functional test verifies performance and functionality. Power the board with 5 volts directly. Check whether U1 can really output 3.3 V. Send commands through P1. Can the LED light up? Can signals pass? At this stage, the board runs at full power. In short, ICT checks the health condition, like measuring blood pressure or doing blood tests. FCT checks the ability, like testing running speed or strength. Nowadays, ICT equipment is expensive, so many small batch products only perform FCT without ICT. Want to know when ICT is absolutely necessary? Follow us and we will talk about it next time.